So ultimately, they framed my advocacy for Palestine as supporting terrorism. So I was fired for speaking up for my Palestine advocacy, for speaking up even for my family and for our people back home as well. When I went to the meeting, it was a very hostile environment in which they interrogated me about my social media related to Palestine, about my advocacy, about my background and identity. And I think this was especially problematic considering there were other people at the firm who actually advocated for Israeli violence against Palestinians. And that shows that double standard again, in that they were not interrogated or called into a meeting, and ultimately they were not fired. So it was very devastating. This is the job that I depended on to pay off my rent, pay off my loans, and even to help support my family. And I decided to not only speak out, but fight back and pursue a lawsuit, because I wanted to set a precedent to show that these law firms cannot discriminate against us without accountability. That people who look like me or anybody that advocates for Palestine cannot be tossed aside simply for speaking up for human rights, and that we will have our justice.